quit, me done with them. Everyone, so today's a brand new day. Today's Tuesday. I'm done with work for the week. You know, I did a little 3 days or whatever. So I just got out the shower. We are about to head on the road, you know, just do a quick little errands. I have like a couple bills to pay and like pick up some food, not really food, but like pick up like a couple ingredients because I'm gonna make like rasta pasta today. So yeah, just got the shower and I'm about to moisturize my face. I didn't just throw like my hair up in like a bun. Guys, do you have like any recommendations for like skincare for like spots, like acne? Like I don't know, it's like 1 minute like my face is like kind of clear and it's like looking good, and then next minute I have like a lot of like bumps. Like a couple days ago it was like a whole bunch like right here. I've been using the Murad. I don't know if it's gonna focus. No, the Murad acne control. This is the clarifying treatment, and like when I'm in the shower I wash my face with like the cleansing wash. And like I don't know, so if you have any like recommendations for me to try, please leave them down below in the comments. It'll be greatly appreciated. So now I'm gonna comb out this but it is a mess. Probably tomorrow or in the night we'll probably go wash it, and then I want to do a video of like my braid out. So I don't know, we'll see how that goes, and then just wear it like that. But I'm just like combing it out, and then just like I'll catch you up in that one. So I have something I want to tell you guys. If you have like been watching like some of my like last videos where like I really like started like vlogging or whatever, you guys would know that like I have like my full-time job, you know, where I work like 3 days a week, and then like in one of my vlogs let me just say like my pizza job, or like my one and a half or one and a quarter job or whatever, where like I work at a hotel doing like front desk or whatever. I've been with them for like about almost 3 years. At first I started out full-time, and then they weren't really doing like, you wasn't really getting like benefits there, like no 401k, like nothing like that. That was just like a gig until I got like my full-time job, which is my main job or whatever. But I never left them because, you know, they were like always like understaffed, and like I was like really good at my job or whatever. Even though I would work like 1 or 2 days a week, you know, it would still like help alleviate some of the pressure from like supervisor and whatnot. Anyways, cut long story short, so my grandmother was working there for like 4+ years or whatever, you know, very good worker. She was doing housekeeping or whatnot, and like summertime like bust her freaking ASS off, okay? And 2 weeks ago I'm at work, like my good job or whatever, and I was like, hey, what's up, did you go to work today? Meaning the hotel or whatever that I was at. She was like, no, they let her go. I was like, what do you mean they let you go? Yeah, so like they called her on the phone and said she doesn't get along with the co-workers, so they have to let her go. So I called BS from the jump, okay? My grandmother don't bother nobody, don't argue with nobody, and then that's gonna be an excuse for like letting her go. So from my grandmother told me that I had the intention to say, yo, I'm done with that damn place, me done, that's it or whatever. Because honestly I really didn't need the job. I'm gonna be transparent with you guys. When I worked 8 hours with them or whatever, I would get like $100 for my freaking paycheck. What's $100? Okay, I can work 4 hours at my other job to make up my 40, because I do get like a differential for like the 36 that makes it the 40-hour pay. So if I worked an additional 4 hours to make it up to 40, I will be getting essentially almost that $100 or more than the $100. So like I really didn't need the hotel, because like I said, I only stuck with them just because they were short staffed. People like come and go through that place. Like I swear, like people will start for like 1 week and boom, that's it, done and over with, and like they're gone. So like I was like, you know, more reliable, and if I can help and alleviate some of the pressure, I would. And guys, from I started working since I was like 18. I never left or quit a job, you know what I mean? So
You never left or quit a job?
Yes, I never left or quit a job somewhere. So like, this was like all I need. This was like the motivation I needed to like say F them or whatever. So something. So I went to work last week Wednesday so I could like hear and see if it was like any gossip, like what was the real tea or whatever. So I went to the manager and I was like, why was my grandmother like let go? Like who was she in a problem with? I was like, is she hostile? Like who does she have a problem with? Who is she getting into arguments with? Oh, people think that she's intimidating. And I was like, intimidating? What do you mean she's intimidating? If her accent is the problem, maybe it's maybe too strong and people don't like understand her. Maybe they think she's intimidating. Oh, you know, she refused to clean a room. Guys, they was working in the room. It was like some paint or some caulk stuck in the damn tub. And my grandmother said she could not get it out. She told the front desk, and the front desk said that she can leave it. It's not a problem, because my grandmother tried to use the scissors to get it up, and she's like, no, you're gonna mess up the tub. Just leave it or whatever. So my grandmother did not clean the room because the front desk told her not to clean the room. So I'm like, when I explained it to the manager, it was like, but the front desk said that she did not have to clean the room. Oh, the front desk said that she was being so hostile, like she didn't want to clean the room, so that's why she told her not to clean it. I was like, you serious? So like, she don't have like a valid reason. Like honestly, I feel like it's just a whole bunch of BS. And like, now I'm thinking about it, I'm mad that I really didn't like cuss them out and like tell them, because like, guys, that freaking place is a hot ass mess. Okay, like so many people come and go. There's like housekeepers who steal tips, who make so many goddamn mistakes, but yet they never got fired. But because you think that my grandmother is hostile or she's intimidating, that's why you let her go. And then she was like, oh, and your grandmother thinks that I don't like her, but you know that's not the case or whatever, you know. And you know, I understand her. I don't think she's intimidating. So if you don't think she's intimidating and you can understand her, why are you letting her go? You know what I mean? So like, I ain't like that. So my scheduled work day is tomorrow, Wednesday, but guess who's not going? I'm not going. I didn't even tell her like, oh, I'm putting in my 2 weeks or I can no longer work here. I'm just not showing up. And like, I do kind of feel bad because the person who I'm going to relieve, like, I don't want a person to like not be able to go home because I'm not there. But you know what? I don't care. I had enough of them. Like, guys, if I really wanted to, I could like go in on this whole place and like this video will be like much longer than it is. And I do not need to give them that much time in my video. But yeah, long story short, me quit, and I don't have that little piece of quarter job anymore because I decided last week that that was my last day. So yeah, am I missing anything, B? Even when I told her, if you think that she was being intimidating, or people were telling you that she's intimidating, which is BS or whatever, hold the heck, a freaking 60-year-old woman can intimidate you. Like, what the heck? And the freaking front desk lady, girl, I should say, because she's younger than me, who claimed my grandma was intimidating, it's like 20 times the size of my grandma. So hold the heck, 160-year-old woman, where you bigger than her, you could probably like sit on one, freaking intimidate you. And you know what I think about? I'm getting even more pissed off. Like, really? Yeah. I don't know. I just fight against her, and she just wanted to let her go from the jump. So you know what? And the guy's like, if you got a problem with my grandmother, my mom, you got a problem with me. You beef with them, you beef with me. I just seem so. I just feel like it. So yeah, that's why I'm done with them. So yes, guys, that's my little ramble. Me quit. Me done with them. But yeah, guys. So I will let you guys know what's the outcome of tomorrow if she like texts me and be like, where are you? Guys, you know what's crazy? Last week when I was working, my login wasn't working, so I texted her, I was like, hey, can you like reset it, because like if I don't have a login, I can't access the
somebody go put that
the network to like check people in or do what I gotta do. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. She didn't text me back and said, oh, I'll reset it. I had to look around the freaking office and I found somebody's login to use so I can access the damn network. Like, can you believe that? Like, you guys, there's just so much stuff. Like I said, I could really go in on them. Like, it is just so much with that damn place. What?
Suppose
what?
They're not calling for her.
Let me call him. You want to say good morning to you guys? Say morning now? Or evening, afternoon. You want to tell them about your first 2 nights doing night shift?
Wow.
Guys, so you guys know that B got a job or whatever, but he was training on second shift. Like, he would leave here like 2:30 and come off like 1 o'clock in the morning. But that was just training because they were going to go back to 8s or whatever. He was doing 10. So now he's doing 8s 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. But he switched to overnights. Ready to go where? Hold it, no man, and you need to learn the vlog. B, everybody was saying the last video was like, oh, I'm gonna be still look like in camera shy and stuff. You still camera shy, B?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Always. I don't know what people are doing with me. Video.
Ain't nobody gonna do that. Hmm? Come on, Willie, I'm practice.
B, practice what? I'm ready to go.
Just practice talking.
Pass my watch, I'm ready. You see, you first get out that bathroom.
Yes, me first come out that bathroom. I'm still not ready.
Come on, Kayla, come on.
All right, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys on the road because B, rush me. Hello, guys. It's a brand new day, and guys, no, I'm not going anywhere. Trying to see my face like well dally up. I just wanted to try something new, so I'm gonna try like a little glitter liner. You know, just to like test out my skills. I'm gonna put on a lash because I'm trying to wear lashes more often. So yeah, I got these off of Amazon, and I really love how they like look like fluffy and stuff. So I'm on my way to Sam's Club. I'm just going to grab some paper towels and garlic bread. Tomorrow's Friday, and my grandmother, she cook and sell now and then because one police car. You have to pull over somewhere. It might do about Yeti, it's state trooper. Anyways, so my grandmother, she cook and sell now and then because like where we at, we don't really have like a lot of Jamaican restaurants. And if we do, them not taste good. So yes, and like everybody like love my grandmother cooking or whatever. So she cook for sale now and then or whatever. And I'm gonna make some of my rasta pasta for sale because people have been asking about it. But true me not like lose money, you know, cause like me will cook like a big pot of pasta and like it will like not sell off, or you know what I mean. So like I don't know, I don't like to chance it, but me I gonna just do look for tomorrow, and if it sell, it sell. If it don't, then I say go or whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna go get the garlic bread for that, and then just grab some bag of chicken for my grandmother, and that's it. I'm here with the husband.
To be.
Let me to be. You think you got jokes? Huh? Husband to be. If it was to be, I wouldn't have this ring.
Sorry.
B, you in the hype?
Yeah.
In the hype?
Yes, it is.
B, what's the definition of hype? Hype is when you're going like say your ish can make party and you're bossy and think you're better than everybody else. And I don't think that. I'm on the same level as everybody. I don't think I'm more than anybody. Nobody no more than nobody. At all, okay? Sure. And nobody no more than me. Right? I know you're joking because you can't think of me bossy. Wait, B bossy? Oh, so you get quiet? No, I can't talk.
Why me back quiet?
You just said me go on like my bossy or me I go on hype.
Like she can't make party.
That's something I go on? No.
You don't know me.
You just a chat every. So what do you want to say to our audience, our vlog, our family on the YouTube?
It's a cool sun and shine.
Cool sun and shine. Guys, outside look like it's like 80 degrees, but when you go there, it's like a good party. Alright, whatever. Yeah. So be your third night with the overnights, you think your body get into it or no? Like getting used to it? Yeah. That not so convincing. We're gonna chat back in with him about the work business like in 2 or 3 weeks, and we'll see if like it still remains what he say. From the money good, then you'll alright, whatever you say. But yeah. Oh guys, so quick little update with a piece of job. So yeah, obviously I didn't go in yesterday, you know. I ain't text me or nothing, and ain't nobody call me or text me or say anything. So I was like, oh, okay. But I did tell a fellow co-worker last week that I was thinking about quitting. And then before I left, I don't know if I said this in a previous clip, but like before I left, she was like, did you tell the manager that you're planning on quitting? And I said, no, because I'm still like weighing my mind or whatever. But I felt like she gave her a heads up, because how you have somebody come in that's supposed to relieve somebody and you didn't text them and be like, hey, where are you at? Are you coming in or what? So yeah, it is what it is. In Sam's Club. See, we got more than a paper towel and the garlic bread, but you know, I saw you go when you last store, you know, you see that you want like more stuff. B pick up like honey bun and like orange juice or whatever, and then we stopped and just grabbed a hot dog and something to drink, because like Sam's Club hot dogs, like they slap. Like usually when I go in there and if we stop at like the food court, I always grab like a slice of pizza, but then my mom put me on to the hot dogs, like they really good. So I'm about to assemble my hot dog. We don't eat yet until I'm done assembling. The hot dog look so nice. Like these is like neck and neck with the Salines hot dogs. I don't know, something about it. Nice. B, they can't see you. Come on, ice cream. Cheers. Look at that. And like, it kind of tastes like a sausage too. No, I don't know. They're nice. Alright guys, so we just finished Walmart. We got the chicken and we're on our way home. And guys, at Sam's Club and Walmart, like so many people was complimenting like, oh my god, your makeup is so cute, or oh, I love your eyes, or oh, that eyeshadow looks so good. Like, yeah, me angarat. I just am atnik here nife. Go away. Like I said, if you guys have any recommendation in the comments that work for like acne bumps or anything, please let me know, because I need something. I need a nice clean clear face. Yes, we are looking. You look like a nice clean one, huh? And B, he mad because his M&Ms burst out of the damn package. Like I was saying, B.
What?
Yeah, admire your nice clean one. Yeah?
The one drop off.
B, on a scale of 1 to 10, how good do I look right now? Some more, huh?
What?
You worry about some damn M&Ms. Let me say, rate me on a scale of 1 to 10. How good do I look right now?
B, let me first tell us something good.
Yeah, you tell me say something look good, but why is you going this way for? No, that way we all go?
No, where me I go?
Yeah, so out here you gotta go.
Yes, I know.
No, okay, do what y'all do, cause boy, I swear, let me tell you something about my husband. He be taking some long way, some back roads or whatever. I don't know if in one fit say in a place or what, but he be taking like the longest routes necessary. Like no, but yes you do. But so we gotta come from the casino, you gotta go all the way down like Hyde Park and something. You know you have to cut you some place and get. You do too much.
Yeah.
Yeah, you do. But you're just like every damn M&M, so. B, I wasn't done. Alright, good morning, guys. It is very early in the morning, 9 o'clock, and my mom couldn't drive me out. I said, oh, she feel like she wants to have some breakfast. So, we're just gonna go have a quick breakfast. Her birthday's tomorrow, so this is part of her birthday present. So we're gonna go have breakfast real quick, and then I have to come back and come cook and help my grandmother in the kitchen. Cause like I said yesterday, she's cooking on selling food. So yeah. You want to say good morning to the vlog?
My face.
morning. Come on, Kayla.
So tell them about your day. Where are you going?
You taking me to go eat breakfast somewhere, I think?
What do you feel for?
I don't know, probably just some bacon. Maybe just some bacon. That's it. I don't know.
What's tomorrow?
Tomorrow's my Earth Strong.
How old are you turning?
Birthday. I don't know. How old am I? I was born in 81. What? 43? I think. Yeah. Tomorrow's my birthday. Yes. It's my
She got her
birthday.
nails done and she feeling herself.
I'm not feeling myself. What are you talking about? Am I? Yes, no, maybe.
Guys, my mom, I feel like nobody else in my family is like
It's what?
in a like natural with the camera besides my aunt. I don't know if you guys remember her. It's a long time she haven't been in a vlog. Boom Boom, like she's like, if you like an oldie like way back in like the first time Jamaica vlogs, I'm pretty sure you guys like live with my aunt, but like she real talkative and like she would like talk to you guys. Like I feel like I have to like ask other people to be like, hey, like how's your day going? Tell the vlog, like, you know what I mean? Like they not just
What do you want to jump on and tell people them my whole life story?
no, it'd be like a whole life story. You just
Like what?
no,
Hi,
like
good morning. How are you guys?
yeah, like what's up? Tell them what you're about to do and stuff. Like how you feeling today. I don't know anything bothering that's going on within this world. You heard about the
Oh, the bridge?
oh yeah, oh, if I have any supporters in Baltimore or just anyone in general, I hope everyone is like doing okay. That was like such like a tragedy, like how it just happened, like everything just like collapsed. Like I think they said 2 people died or 2 people were injured. I don't know, something like that. But yeah, prayers for Baltimore.
So what else you was talking
No, I wasn't talking about that. You heard about it happened last year, but like she finally got sentenced. This lady who left her 16-month-old baby at the house, like in the house by herself while she went to Puerto Rico with a man for 10 days.
Shut up.
And the baby died when she come back. You didn't hear about it?
No.
It was like all over like social media like a couple days ago. It happened last year in June, but she finally got sentenced.
What did they give her, life?
Hell yeah. They gave her life. True.
Oh, that's crazy.
And then she wanna come blame it, but she doesn't want any sympathy, but like she was going through mental problems with her. I'm so like I understand that mental.
So she don't got no family or nothing?
Yeah, she had family. Why didn't you just drop the baby off at a family member? Or why didn't you just bring the baby to like a freaking police station or hospital? Somewhere public where somebody could take care of the baby.
That's news for real?
Yes, that's real.
That's crazy.
Like I was saying, like I understand that there is mental health out there and like people like really battle depression and stuff, but like I'm tired of people using it as an excuse to like try to get like a lesser sentence or like that, you know, forgiveness or like no, there's no forgiveness in that. Whatever was going on, you know, you left a 16-month-old baby in a freaking playpen and you expected her to be alive when you came back. Like no, I mean no.
Oh, that's supposed to be our life, Kayla. What are you
No, but like
you don't sense.
no, but like obviously she left for that long. She couldn't expect that her baby was gonna be alive.
How?
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, the baby feed this.
And then the thing is like when she reached there, she said the baby wasn't responsive. She called 911, right? And then no, you laugh at me so
I'm not
that's it.
laughing,
She
I don't believe you.
the baby was unresponsive. She called 911. The ambulance came, and I guess the baby was like messed up, like in dirty clothes. Obviously, she changed the baby off in clean clothes to try to play it off like, oh, it just happened. You know what I mean? Like the baby just like something there or whatever. And then when I examined her and they did the autopsy or whatever, they said that the baby had feces in her mouth and stuff. Like the baby was trying to eat her own feces to freaking survive.
I didn't see that. I ain't heard about that.
Guys, it tore me up so much because it's like it's so many people out there who want kids and struggle to have them, and yet there's people out here who just having kids and just don't business with them. Like it's just so sad. And like the judge did say something. Every child deserves a parent, but not all parents deserve a child. You know? It's so sad. But yeah, that's my little rambling. So we're on our way to the breakfast shop. I hope they're not full because when we go to, they always like fill.
So
What? I don't know. I don't even know people. American people up here they celebrate Good Friday. It's on this side, yes.
Just say that. What?
You enjoying your strawberry lemonade mimosa?
Yeah, so what is this in here? Look at it.
She think I'm sitting, but it's just the seeds from the strawberry.
I thought it was like little fine ants or something. What?
So I got French toast, eggs, and sausage, and she just got egg, bacon, and home fries.
Grilled home fries.
Grilled home fries. Alright guys, I'm done. This is my rasta pasta with chicken and shrimp. Yes, nice and creamy. Cabbage, macaroni and cheese, oxtail, curry chicken, nice chili rice and peas, jerk chicken. I see curry goat there. Yeah. Alright, so I did my mom's face. I was just supposed to do her eyebrows, but honest opinion, how does it look? Mind you, me and her are not the same color, so if it's like a little off, you know, that's the only reason why. I'm not a professional where I have a lot of foundation colors. Can you turn in the camera so they can see you and stop? She just full of her damn self. Look.
Oh, what?
Turn. Close the eyes. Yes. I think I did a good job. Rate me in the comments, like 1 through 10. How do you think I did? But yeah, I'm like happy with the results. Okay, stop. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm off of work. Oh, B's carrying our present to my mom because today is her birthday. Wait. Don't go yet. Let me lock this down. And it's something for the house. Why you change off?
Pig point.
Move, stop.
Pig point.
The birthday girl. But we are gonna eat crab and she has to take on dress. You gonna open it? You gonna open it?
Huh?
Hello? Are you gonna open it?
I'm gonna punch this thing to open it. Mama. Oh.
What is that?
Baby, what is that?
Is that a bar stool? Is it come on? Is it?
You look nice.
Thank you.
But that's like for like a nice dinner place. Not to go eat crab.
What is it? I'm supposed to switch off.
Alright.
Son, what are you doing? Oh, only bar stool for like 3?
No, I too. You like the back of it? Don't it look nice?
It's cute. Oh,
It's nice though.
it is nice. I like it.
Yeah.
What is he doing? Oh my god. It's cute. What?
What do you say?
Thank you.
Okay. And what? And who? And who?
And Samora. Frankie.
Seafood boil, yes. Cajun rice.
Luma wants to tell you.
Nice. It's a video. Eating mussels. B, you're supposed to use your hands. What you use fork for?
Huh?
What are you using fork?
I didn't do it.